What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get TradingView for free. I'm talking about the premium version of TradingView. Now, to do that, what you need to do, guys, first is to search for TradingView. Okay, as you can see, now you want to click on the first website. It says here TradingView track all markets. Click on it. And what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on upgrade now in the top right. This will make sense in a few seconds. As you can see, it says here 30 days free trial. Click on it. And what you need to do, guys, next you want to select here monthly. As you can see, a monthly, and then you want to go with premium. As you can see, it says here premium. Click on try free for 30 days. Okay, and after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to add your credit card information. Let me do that right now. So the code number is here. Okay, now, and then in here, as you can see, it says here city. You want to add your city and state, and yeah, that's it. You want to, and then scroll down a little bit, and then you want to click on I authorize TradingView to charge me automatically every month. But don't worry, you can cancel this before before 30 days will pass. That's what I mean. You can cancel your free trial or I2 renewal before June 10. Okay, you can cancel that, and then you can start 30 days free trial, and that's it. Okay, guys, hope this video is helping you. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Watch the video in the screen to learn more about TradingView. I made other videos about this. Drop a like and see you guys next.